If you own or manage Kentucky rental property in Louisville, Lexington, Bowling Green, or any areas in between, it's time to get serious, real serious. We are realserious.com, and we offer the best Kentucky tenant screening services to both residential and commercial landlords and agents, even for those renting out an extra room. All you need is the tenant's name and email address. As soon as they approve, we will immediately deliver their official credit report, public records, and criminal background check without disclosing any account numbers. It's as simple as that. See how much a tenant owes to banks and lenders, whether or not they've paid on time, and if there are any outstanding collection accounts for bouncing checks, defaulting on utilities, or not paying rental communities. The whole process is fast, paperless, and has no impact on a tenant's credit score because it's a soft inquiry. There's no better way to screen a tenant than with realserious.com. Protect your Kentucky rental property with the best tenant screening service available in the property management industry. Visit realserious.com today.